Hey guys, this is Steve doing the video for Rob for the Brandin Cooks base and numbered to 100 Prestige. Shane took 2, Patrick took 2, and Shane took the last 6. Excuse me, guys. I'm going to tape live. It is 9:51. We have Shane for 2, Patrick for 2, Shane for the last 6. We're going 8 times. It's 9:51. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7th time, Shane on top, Shane on bottom. It's 9:51, 8th and final time. Good luck. Shane, spot number 6. Congratulations, Shane, 8 times. 9:52. Shane, send your information to Rob. I'm going to type done. And it is 9:52. Thanks, guys.